Hello everyone, it's time for morning briefings. I hope that you have your coffee. If not, run get it. This is, don't try that in a small town. This cup was given to us by Cowgirls, Jesus, and Rodeo. Now that's pretty all-American, wouldn't you think? So enjoy some coffee and let's look at somebody that got a rodeo ride. Ernest McKnight, he's 39 years of age. He was wandering around in Juanita, Florida. He must have been telling himself, I'm tired of walking, so I'll go to the Dollar General, and voila, somebody left their keys in a vehicle at the Dollar General. So he helped himself to the vehicle, thinking, hey, it's easier to drive to Lakeland from Juanita than walk. 46 minutes later, our deputies arrested him. Did you hear what I said? He only had the stolen car 46 minutes. When we captured him, put him in jail, and returned the vehicle unscathed, well, with a little less gas to the owner. Have a good day.